Hello everyone, welcome to today's episode of the Daily Target series. So let's begin with today's target. So, as always, first remove the comments. Now, in today's video, I'll use divs. Like, my idea is simple. This will be a square made with the body alone, and this is a div which I'll later on shape using the clip path, and it will work as far as I have planned. So star, background, and the background color is this one, so let's paste it. We need not put a semicolon in advance, so let's switch on difference and also change the color. Paste. Now we need to give a margin, which as always I'll begin with 100. So maybe 50, 60, 70. 70 is correct. Now 110, 20. As we can see, the body is a lot smaller than we need, so maybe 150, 160. Yeah. So the same comes here, 160. Now the width of the aid and body will be same. So I'll remove this. And here I'll write body, comma A, paste. So it's the same thing now. Now we'll write the properties for A. So the height should be approximately 100. Maybe, and then comes position, fixed. Yeah, so it has appeared, as you can see. So now I'll give a top value 10, 20, okay, 100, a little more. 110, no, 105 maybe. Yeah, and we need to decrease the height also, so 90. Yeah, 90 is perfect. Now I'll be using clip path, polygon. As we know, this corner is 0 0, so 0 space 0. Now we need to come down, so I'll write 0 and 100%. Now we need to get this corner, or you can say this crest. So as this is properly divided in 4 sections, so I'll suppose it to be like, I'll write both 25 and 25%. Wait, here it will be 75 because it's downwards. And we need to increase the value a little bit, 25, 26. Wait, not this one, my bad. 76, 77, 78. Yeah, 78 looks quite accurate there. So now I'll give 50%, as it's 50% from here and 100% from this side. Now sorry. Now the next one will have the value 75% and 78%, which we previously found. Now obviously the next one is 100% and 100%. Now we need to go up, so 100%, 0. Now the next value will be 75% and 100% minus 78%, which will be 22%. So I'll write 75% and 22%. Now we again need to go upwards, so this time it will be 50% and 0. One more value to go, so it will be 25% and 22%. Let's submit it. to see how much of a score we get and how much percent it is. It's a 100% match. Great. So let's remove this as we do not require it in actual. So let's remove all the spaces to ensure that we get maximum score. So we can remove this semicolon also. Now let's submit it. I think it would be around 650 or something. Yeah, 651.05. And what's the global statistics? 575.85 is the average score. And we have quite higher than this. And the average characters are 655. We only have 216. So that's it for today's video. Hope to see you in the next one. Till then, bye.